So friends, which game are we going to play today? Space Ludo!
No, please, we play that game every time. Why don't we play 3D space chess today?
No. Chess requires too much brain power. Why don't we play snakes and ladders?
No. We must play jigsaw puzzles. Yeah.
Video games.
All these games have become old. I wish we could play something new today.
Bhim, let me take a look into my toy room. Hopefully, we might find some new game in there.
What? Do you really have a toy room?
Yes, all my childhood toys are stored safely in there. Not many though, but I hope we might find something new. Come follow me. Be a little careful. Whee!
Old toys! Old toys aren't much fun.
Wow!
But you told us there is nothing much in your toy house.
Yeah, like me up.
There are so many toys here. Attack!
Wait, Kalia.
Boss!
Kids, you can play with these toys as much as you like. But please make sure you don't break a single toy here, okay? I have preserved these toys ever since I was a kid.
Sky Dragon, don't you think that you should now pass these toys to Avior, Nuki, Talzor, Lino and all the other small kids? They'll be happy.
What? No, never. These are not just toys for me. These are my fondest childhood memories. I'm not giving these toys to anyone.
Not all of them, but you can give the ones you don't need, right?
I will have to think about this.
What happened, Sky Dragon?
This bottle was given to me by my oldest and dearest friend, Babu. You know, back then we were really great friends.
Where is he right now, Sky Dragon?
Don't know. Babu used to blow the air so hard from his mouth that I used to fly away onto the other corner of the room. And then I used to put him on my back and fly all over the universe.
Oh, such a lovely friend. Where could he be right now? Didn't you ever try to look for him, Sky Dragon?
I tried a lot, but I couldn't find him anywhere. He gave me this bottle as a gift, and then suddenly he just disappeared in thin air forever.
You must be really missing your friend, right?
A lot. The left side of this room is decorated with all his memories. It's full of pictures from our childhood.
Now even I want to see what's so special in this bottle.
No!
Got it!
Babu, my dear friend, where were you all these years, huh?
What? Where was I? All these years I was stuck in this bottle, and all because of you.
Because of me? What did I do?
You remember the day I gifted you this bottle? I'm going to give this special bottle to my best friend Sky Dragon. Whoever comes in front of the mouth of this magical bottle will get sucked into it right away. Sky Dragon will be so happy to see this.
Babu, my dear friend, how are you?
I'm great. And look, I've got you a special gift.
Wow, what's there in this bottle? Babu? 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 Where are you?
And from that day till now, I have been trapped in this bottle.
And from that day till now, I have been looking for you all over. But now you are totally free, Babu. Are you angry with me?
Angry? You haven't faced my real anger yet, Sky Dragon.
Bapuji, it was a big mistake. Now just spit out your anger. Achoo!
Spit out? I will blow out. I will blow so hard that all of you will land in a different planet.
Now, wait. Don't get impatient, Babu. Listen to me at least. Kids, run!
Bolu, scare him with your loud noise. Well done!
Oh no, this way he'll break all my lovely favorite toys around here.
We do not have any other option right now. If we survive, we'll get more toys. Come on, hit him with this.
My football! You know, I had scored my very first goal with this football.
Where did Babu disappear?
He must be hiding around here somewhere. Be careful, kids.
Where will you run now, my friend? I will blow you away so far, even your wings won't be able to help you in coming back ever.
Everyone hold Sky Dragon really tight.
Oh no, kids, be careful. Make sure none of my toys break.
Sky Dragon, what's wrong with you? You're still worried about your toys?
Super Beam, this is not working. We'll have to do something else. Otherwise, we all will fly away.
Beam! Laddu!
Before you blow Sky Dragon away from here, you can actually take your revenge in a different way right now.
In a different way? What different way?
Well, you already know how much Sky Dragon loves his favorite toys. You can break all of them. And Sky Dragon is anyway trapped inside that net. He won't be able to escape.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
No, Beam. What are you trying to do?
So, let us start with his most favorite lot.
Do not break my toys.
This is the special place that Sky Dragon made in your memory. He still misses his dearest friend each and every day. Maybe that's why he doesn't want to let go of a single toy around, because he is still very fearful of losing things that are very close to his heart. The way he lost you long ago.
Sky Dragon, my dearest best friend. How can I be angry with you? Please forgive me, Sky Dragon. I was wrong all these years in thinking my best friend is my enemy.
Yes, Babu. I am very sorry too. You had to stay trapped for years in that bottle due to my silly mistake. What can I do to make it up to you, huh?
By giving something.
Tell me what do you want? You can have anything you want.
Anything I want?
Yes, yes. Try me, my friend.
I lost my entire childhood trapped in this dark bottle.
He has taken away all the toys from my collection.
Now at least you have an empty room for yourself. You can fill it with absolutely anything you want.
You are right, Bean. I will go right now and get some fun toys.
Sky Dragon, what is inside this bottle?
I can see something over there.
Sky Dragon, where exactly is this hermit planet?
It must be somewhere around, Bheem. I have come here after a very long time. That's why I don't remember much.
Huh? I can see a man standing right over there.
Huh?
He's wearing a rainbow-colored hat.
Rainbow hat? That must be my friend Junjun. Come on, kids. We are near to our destination.
Hey, what is this delicious smell?
I think Junjun is making his special pudding.
My mouth is salivating with the name of halwa.
Hey, how come kids are falling from the sky?
Excuse us. Kalia seems to lose all his control whenever there is good food around.
Yes, boss just flew towards it.
Junjun, it's me, Sky Dragon. Didn't you recognize me?
Oh, of course. I remember. Sky Dragon. But what are you doing over here?
Didn't you invite me and these kids here for a tasty feast?
Oh, yes. Now I remember. So this is Super Bheem and his team. Your team is quite famous all around the universe.
It is really a pleasure to meet you, Junjun. Sky Dragon speaks very highly of you.
Especially about your yummy food. We have heard you make very delicious sweet pudding.
Oh, yeah. I enjoy cooking all kind of delicious food. I was in fact preparing this halwa when this kid fell on me from the sky. Kids, please sit over there. I'll be right back.
I would like to help you out, Junjun.
Thank you, sweet princess. Take this. Here it is.
Junjun, what is in those jars up there? Looks like they haven't been opened for a while.
I keep my magical spices in them. Since I don't do magic anymore, I haven't opened any of these jars lately.
Why don't we add a little more sugar in our halwa? Then it'll be even more sweet. Yes, yes. Shh. But make sure nobody knows about this, okay?
Don't you worry, boss. No one will ever come to know.
Junjun,
Yes?
may we help you in washing these dishes?
Oh, what a sweet bunch of kids. They are so willing to help me.
We will have to distract them for a while. Oh no! food! Are you okay, Kalia? No. I have sprained my ankle very badly.
Sugar. Here it is.
Looks like the sweet dish is burning. Let me stir it properly for a while.
Now my foot is absolutely okay. Chutki! Are you okay?
It is really strange. Didn't know that only adding sugar could cause such a big blast.
Hey, Dolu, keep your mouth shut. Didn't boss tell us not to let anyone know that we have added extra sugar in the sweet pudding?
What did you say? Sugar? This is not sugar. This is my magical spice. I don't know what could be the result of this magical spice on this sweet girl. Move and let me check Chutki properly. Chutki?
Chutki is all right. Yay! Chutki woke up. Chutki is all right. Yay!
Thank God. My magical spice is stale and not that powerful anymore.
What are you doing?
Chutki? Who is this Chutki?
You are Chutki.
Chutki? No. I am the queen of dance and music, you know.
The queen of music and dance.
Junjun, what has happened to Chutki suddenly?
Oh no. It looks like my magical spice still has some power left. Now she believes she is someone else.
You have to do something. Please make Chutki all right, Junjun.
Kids, let me look for a remedy to fix Chutki. But till then, please keep a watch over her and make sure that she doesn't hurt herself by mistake and don't let her escape. Now I remember.
Tha, tick, 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 tha, tick, 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 tha, tha, tick,
Now this is ready. Queen of music and dance. You danced so elegantly. Now you must take a break and relax with this cool drink. Here you are.
The queen of dance and music does not eat or drink anything without music.
But we don't have any instrument to play and sing.
That's not an issue. We will definitely play music for our queen. Yay!
Very nice. Hey, take this. Drink this, Chutki.
Who are you?
What do you mean, who am I? How can you forget me so easily, Beam? I'm your best friend, Chutki. Oh, by the way, I'm really very hungry. Can I get some sweet pudding, please? No!